Hello, blessed ones. Have you seen wash day as that stressful and not easygoing day? You want to make your hair this fuller, thicker, and easy to manage? This recipe is for you. Sit back, relax, and see how this was made with only one ingredient. Hello, blessed ones. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I just want to say welcome. Psalm 117 verse 2. For his merciful kindness is great towards us, and the truth of the Lord endureth forever. Praise ye the Lord. So in today's video, to make your hair shiny, glossy, and looking nice, with only one ingredient for this hair mask, our ingredient that we'll be needing today is okra. Okra is very rich in so many vitamins and nutrients that will help you to grow your hair, promote your hair growth, cure scalp issues, and lots more. So blessed ones, the amount of okra that you want to use depends on how long your hair is. So this one that I put in my pan was enough. I boil for about 10 minutes and bring it down for it to cool down. And when this cools down, I'm going to separate the gel from the main okra. The gel will be very useful on its own as a leave-in conditioner or as a pre-poo detangler. And yes guys, I didn't throw the gel away. I stored it in a container to use for my pre-poo or as a leave-in. And thereafter, after pouring that in my container, I'm going to go ahead and blend the other okra. Due to the slimy nature of this gel, it helps you to condition your hair naturally and keep your hair soft, smooth, and very manageable either way that you use this gel. So I'll go ahead and blend the other part. While we're blending, let's talk more about the benefit of applying this mask on your hair. Okra has its natural vibrance that it gives to your hair because it's glossy when you apply it to your hair and make your hair very silky. That way your hair will be shiny. So it also promotes hair growth because of its so many vitamins. It has vitamin A, C, and K, antioxidants. All of these help you to nourish your scalp and keep your scalp very healthy, strengthen hair follicle, and then your hair will just be popping out from the root. Beautiful people, don't forget, when your hair is very easy to manage on your wash day, reduces your breakage, your split end, and it helps you to provide elasticity to the strands. So these are the beautiful benefits of okra. It also suits itchy scalp. Because of its moisturizing effect, it suits your hair that your scalp will not itch. If you suffer from products that itch your scalp, like I told you guys some time ago, when I apply fresh aloe vera on my hair, I noticed that my scalp was itchy until I started treating. So applying okra gel on your hair or even using the mask on your hair will save you the stress of that itchiness because your scalp is already irritated, and it also strengthens your hair. It contains minerals like calcium, zinc, magnesium that improve the strength of your hair. It protects your hair against environmental damage because of the coating and the stress that it take out from your hair because of its conditioning effect. So okra is so beneficial. You can do your research, find out more about okra before you even apply it on your hair. This is the mask after straining, and that's how it's looking like. So beautiful. So when applying this on my hair, I applied it on a very dry hair. I first of all wet my hair with water. Before I apply any product on my hair, you notice that I add water on my hair. If it's not aloe vera or maybe flaxseed, sometimes when I even apply flaxseed on my hair or the hair of my kids, I spray with water. Water is very important for your natural hair as well, as it allows those products to penetrate deeply into your scalp. So beautiful people, if this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please, my name is The Blessed. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this. Please don't forget to click the notification bell, and please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment if it's your first time here. If you're going to try this recipe, please kindly leave a comment in the comment section, and when you try it, don't hesitate to get back here and leave a comment as well how it works for your hair. And if you have tried it before, also endeavor to leave us a comment as well. Please share the video so this can help someone that is struggling with their wash day as well. So thank you so much to all my beautiful and amazing subscribers that has been here with me. God bless you. Thank you for staying. I really love and appreciate you all so much. So beautiful people, this is the process of applying it. First thing first, I'll walk the water through my hair, and after walking the water through, I'll apply the mask. And one thing I noticed about the mask, when you let it sit for a while, it begins to change color like the way banana does. It's like it's oxidizing. So that is one thing I noticed about the mask. But the mask worked so effectively for my hair. And if you are that type, you don't like so many products on your hair, this is a go-to for you. This is just one product. There was no oil added, nothing. The only thing that was added was water that it was boiled with. Other than that, there was no other thing added, and it worked amazing. And you can even use it as two parts. The water you strain out of the okra, you can use that one as a leave-in conditioner after washing your hair, and that will give you extra nourishment and extra boost to your hair strands as well. After applying this on my hair, I'm just going to let this sit on my hair. I'll cover with a plastic wrap and let it sit for 1 hour, at least 1 hour. I love products sitting so long on my hair because I just think that it penetrates even deeper. When I'm doing my hair chores, walking around, the heat that comes out of my scalp help the products to penetrate deeply into my scalp. But if you don't have that time to sit for 1 hour and let this mask penetrate to your hair strands and your scalp, what you need to do is to cover your hair with a plastic wrap and sit under a dryer or a drying cap. I don't know if it's a drying cap they call it, but just sit under a dryer, something that will heat up the hair, and this treatment is going to penetrate deeply into your scalp. So beautiful people, thank you so much once again. If you are going to try out this recipe, please don't hesitate to try this out. If you know that you're struggling with your wash day and your hair is breaking out, you can't keep your hair thick, you can't keep your hair long, you're not retaining those lengths, this recipe is for you. Don't hesitate to give it a try, as it's only one ingredient. Only one ingredient and you are good to go. So when you try this out, please don't forget to leave us a comment how it worked for you and how well your hair is growing over time. So thank you so much once again for staying up to this time. God bless you, and beautiful people, don't forget I love you so much. Please endeavor to share the video to so many others that might be in need of such recipe to ease their wash day as well. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and click the notification bell for more notification whenever I upload video on this channel. And as well, don't forget to leave us a comment. And when you're leaving a comment, there is a button, or how will I say it, there is an icon close to the comment that says hype. Please click that hype, and it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It's just 1 second. Click the hype just to hype the video, and for YouTube to know that this video makes sense, it is worth it, or whatever the hype button is for. I really don't know, but please endeavor to click the hype. Thank you so much. I love you so much. And this is my hair after applying. My hair looking juicy, so I'll cover up with a plastic wrap. Like I said before, I'll let it sit for 1 hour and hop in the shower and wash this off and condition my hair and moisturize as usual. So thank you so much once again. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now. Mwah, mwah, mwah.